Hi everyone, I'm Georg Schmelzer, a neonatologist and clinician scientist, and welcome to Research for Babies. Here we translate our latest neonatal research into practical knowledge for healthcare professionals, researchers, and family around the world. Our mission is simple: advancing neonatal research, sharing knowledge, improving newborn lives. Let's explore today's study. Can AI pass a neonatal resuscitation exam? Artificial intelligence is changing medicine at an incredible pace. But can large language models answer neonatal resuscitation question as accurately as doctors and nurses? We set out to answer this question by comparing ChatGPT from the US and DeepSeek from China, two leading AI models with healthcare professionals on real neonatal resuscitation examination. Could AI really perform as well trained clinicians? We tested ChatGPT and DeepSeek using three different neonatal resuscitation examinations. These included a neonatal resuscitation workshop and examination in China, questions from the neonatal resuscitation program textbook, and Kahoot quizzes used during neonatal resuscitation training in Canada. Each AI model answered every question three separate times over several weeks, and the results were compared with the historical scores of more than 500 healthcare professionals, including physicians, nurses, respiratory therapists, and other members of the neonatal resuscitation teams. What did we find? Both ChatGPT and DeepSeek performed remarkably well and achieved scores comparable to trained healthcare professionals on written neonatal resuscitation examinations. In the Canadian Kahoot quizzes, ChatGPT achieved the highest score, correctly answering 95% of the questions. Also, AI performed particularly well on multiple choice scenario based questions, demonstrating a strong ability to apply neonatal resuscitation knowledge. But AI isn't perfect. Despite these encouraging results, the study also identified important limitations. Both AI models occasionally made simple medication calculation errors, which could have had serious consequences if used without verification. Also, the responses were sometimes different depending on whether questions were asked in English or Chinese, suggesting that language can influence AI performance. These findings remind us that AI should never be used without careful human oversights, particularly when making clinical decisions or calculating medication doses. So, what could AI be used for? Well, rather than replacing healthcare professionals, AI may become a powerful educational partner. Large language models can generate practice questions, explain difficult concepts, develop personalized learning plans, and provide immediate feedback after training exercises. These capabilities could help clinicians learn more efficiently, reinforce important concepts, and maintain their neonatal resuscitation knowledge between formal training courses. What is the take home message? This study shows that large language models can perform comparable to healthcare professionals on written neonatal resuscitation examinations. However, passing an examination is only one part of the neonatal resuscitation training and resuscitation. AI cannot assess a newborn at the bedside. It cannot perform positive pressure ventilation, chest compression, intubation, or emergency procedure. It cannot communicate with parents, work within a multidisciplinary resuscitation team, or adapt to rapidly changing clinical situations. Those hand-on skills, clinical judgment, teamwork, communication, and compassion remains uniquely human. The future of neonatal care is unlikely to be healthcare professionals versus AI. Instead, the greatest potential lies in healthcare professionals working together with AI, using it to support education, improve decision making, and ultimately provide better care for newborns. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues. At Research for Baby, our mission is simple: advancing neonatal research, sharing knowledge, improving newborn lives. Together, we can give every baby the best possible start in life. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.